The modern fishing world is full of innovative gear and gadgets that make our time on the water more efficient and enjoyable. We've selected the top must-have fishing gadgets and gear available on Amazon just for you. Fishing at night or in low light can be challenging when you can't see your line, but LED light-up bobbers make it a whole lot easier. These bright, water-resistant bobbers float well and clearly show where your bait is, even in the dark. They're especially effective for targeting low-light feeders like walleye and crappie. The built-in lithium battery offers long-lasting brightness, shining even stronger than traditional glow sticks. During the day, you can use them without the battery thanks to their highly visible colors. Just twist the spring to set your desired depth and add weight depending on the water conditions. These bobbers are also lighter and more sensitive than standard ones, making them quicker to react when a fish bites, helping you catch more. Find your next catch with ease using the Deeper Start Smart Fish Finder. This lightweight, wireless device is ideal for shore fishing and fun family trips. No tangled wires or external batteries to deal with. It's incredibly simple to use. Connect it to the Fish Deeper app on your phone and receive real-time details, including fish location, size, depth, bottom contour, and vegetation. Compatible with both iOS and Android, it also saves your scans with time and GPS location, so you can revisit productive spots later. Built-in Wi-Fi means it won't use your mobile data, and with a casting range and scanning depth of up to 165 feet, plus a 40-degree sonar beam, you'll get accurate results every time. The rechargeable battery powers up in just 2.5 hours and lasts up to 6 hours, giving you more time on the water. There's even a night fishing mode for those after-dark adventures. Tired of tangled lines while spooling your reel? This fishing line winder takes the hassle out of the process, making it quick and smooth. It's easy to use and helps you spool your reel without twists or knots. Whether you're using a spinning, bait casting, or spin cast reel, it ensures an even line every time, so you're always ready to fish. Lightweight and compact, it's simple to set up and remove. The adjustable spool width and spring-loaded tension keep the line steady and tight. Its suction cup base sticks securely to smooth surfaces like glass. Just add a little water for extra grip. It saves you both time and effort, with some anglers spooling up to 3 reels in under 5 minutes. Many call it the best spooling tool they've ever used. This pocket-sized fishing reel is a must-have for on-the-go anglers. Smaller than a lighter and weighing just 159 grams, it slips easily into your jacket or tackle bag, so you're always ready to fish when the moment strikes. Despite its tiny size, it's surprisingly strong. The makers even used it to catch a 1.5 kilograms bass. Crafted with a simple, solid design from stainless steel and aluminum, it features a 3-to-1 gear ratio for smooth reeling. It holds up to 12 meters of fishing line, and its straight spool design makes it easy to use and maintain. Tough, compact, and adventure-ready, this tiny reel goes wherever your fishing journey takes you. Fishing in the sun or rain can get uncomfortable, but the umbrella hat keeps you covered while your hands stay free. This lightweight adjustable hat offers full protection from both sun and rain, so you can fish in comfort without worrying about the weather. Perfect for anglers who want shade without holding an umbrella. It's easy to use. Just pull the rope to open and press the button to close. It folds down small for convenient storage, and when you're ready to wear it again, simply pull the tab through the top until it locks in place. Upgrade your fishing experience with these enhanced fish lip grippers, featuring an extended 4.3-inch EVA foam handle. The ergonomic T-handle design increases grip strength while reducing hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. The elegantly designed aluminum pliers feature a lightweight, hollow-out construction, combining functionality with comfort. Multi-purpose features include braided line cutters and split-ring hook removers for complete fishing convenience. Spring-loaded handles allow smooth one-handed operation, while the included lanyard helps prevent accidental loss. Take control of your fishing experience with this American-made belt clip rod holder that securely attaches to any belt or strap between 1 and 2 inches wide. The 360 degrees rotating design with quick lock and unlock functionality lets you adjust your rod angle instantly. Keep your rod stable and accessible with the integrated elastic cord system, featuring an adjustable cinch and quick access hooks. Built to accommodate both fly and spinning rods, this versatile holder provides hands-free convenience when you need it most. Made from high-quality carbon steel, these swivels come in 5 essential sizes, from 2 to 10, with 5 pieces of each size. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing applications, these durable swivels prevent line twist while providing quick and secure connections between your line and terminal tackle. The reliable snap design allows for fast lure changes without retying, saving valuable time on the water. Whether you're targeting trout in streams or larger species offshore, this comprehensive swivel pack ensures you'll have the right size for any fishing situation. This wearable fishing rod holder is crafted from marine-grade aluminum and stainless steel, featuring a custom zinger tested to over 50,000 pulls for reliable performance. Keep your rod secure and accessible while tying flies, changing lures, or handling fish. The lightweight, compact design keeps your equipment safely elevated above mud, salt, and grit while preventing accidental drops. Built with UV-resistant materials and premium components, this durable rod holder gives you the freedom to focus on landing that trophy catch. Crafted from 1000D water-resistant nylon with durable cam buckles and SBS zippers, this bag stands up to the demands of outdoor use. The innovative design features adjustable detachable straps that let you wear it as a shoulder bag, backpack, or chest pack. Built-in rod holders and reflective safety features make it perfect for dawn and dusk fishing adventures. The spacious main compartment and specialized exterior pockets keep your gear well organized. Store tackle boxes, tools, and accessories in the divided interior while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. So that was our list of the 10 best Amazon fishing gadgets to improve fishing. Thanks for watching our video.